Now let's see how you can add files or staff notebook to your team. So click on plus icon here and you can add your apps from the given list. So I can select for Word. So here is the Word document gets added. So I can go back now. Click on this plus icon. You can select the different apps here. You can click on add. So at present I can add this. You can click on add. So it will give you the information about the app. At present I close it. So here you get the message as a teammate of yours recently added me to your team. So now you can add the files. It will also enlist the number of files, the list of the files. The list of the files can also be viewed on clicking this arrow. You can change the view of the listed files. You can set them as a list or you can have a compact list like this, or you can have in the form of tiles. So this is how you can also change the view of the documents. So you can also see all documents here. So I go back to have the list. So this is the list. If you wish to create a new, you can create a folder. You can also create a Word document, Excel workbook, PowerPoint presentation, OneNote notebook, forms to Excel. So let me create a PowerPoint presentation. I can write name as click on create. It will take me to create a new presentation named as presentation 2. So here you can see the name of the presentation. So here I go. Here I can write click on file to save your document. You can also select the theme and the design from the right hand side panel. So at present I select this theme or the design. So here it gets loaded. Click on file to save your document or rename your document, and you can also download the document. So click on download. It will also ask you the option to download as a copy or a PDF or ODP or as an image. So now at present I download as a copy. Very soon it will start downloading. So here you can see the message. The one file is downloaded. You can see the downloading here. So now I go back. I wish to close this. So I click on close and I come back to my team. Here I can add a Word document as well as, so you can click on Word document. You can write the name for your document and click on create. So here it goes for Word document. Here I can write. So this is the Word document. You can see the name of the Word document at the left corner top side. If you again wish to save, you can select the save as option. You can rename the file, download a copy, download as a PDF. So you can also download it. It's saving and you can see the another message. One file was downloaded. I'll close it now. There is one more feature provided by Microsoft Team, that is to add a staff notebook. So click on this staff notebook and you will be taken to create a staff notebook. So here you can use different formats to create your notebook. You can also use click on file. You can know about it. Go back. So this is how you can also create your staff notebook. So let me go back. Also download any of this file. You can also add cloud storage. So here you can add cloud storage. It provides the facility to add SharePoint, Dropbox, Box, ShareFile, Google Drive, etc. So you can provide cloud storage to add a folder to your channel. You can also open in SharePoint. So this is all about Microsoft. Now let me take you back to the left panel where Microsoft provides some inbuilt apps. These are the apps provided by Microsoft. You can search for any field and they will enlist all the apps which can be used for that particular field. For example, if I select education, you can see these are the different apps such as Quizlet, Flipgrid, Kahoo, Insights, BrainBot, etc. So you can just go for a search of a field and you can get the different apps which can be used during your presentation. Another way to use apps is if you wish to have more added apps, then you can go and click on, then you need to click on these three dots. It will ask you to find an app. So again, you can go for a search or you can select from the given list. So now at present I go for a planner. So we can use different apps through this app provider. If you wish to have any kind of help, you can click on help and they come with different topics like training, what's new, suggest a feature, report a problem, give feedback and ask the community. So this icon can be used to download the desktop app. Click on this and within a moment you will see the downloaded has started. So you can see the downloaded has started. So this is all about Microsoft Team, which can be used for your meetings and classes. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thanks a lot.